Let's start. Today we will see how to navigate from one page to another in Flutter Android. Let's see the project structure. In the libs folder, we have two Dart files, the main.dart and the second page.dart. Let's see the main.dart file. These are the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a center widget, inside which we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we call the navigator.push function. The first argument of this function is the context. The second argument is the material page router widget. In this widget, we pass the instance of the page where we want to go. So here I have passed the instance of the second page. Let's see the second page now. This is import. This is the second page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _secondPageState. This is the _secondPageState class. Here we will design the UI of the second page. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a center widget, inside which we have a text widget with the text, second page. So there is nothing fancy in this page's UI, just a text view is there. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, we navigate to the second page. So that's it. That's how you can navigate from one page to another in Flutter Android. Thank you.